Your IDP goal describes the end state or outcome of your development. It is a succinct statement that describes success. In terms of your career development, there are really three typical types of broad goals. They are: 1. Get oriented to a new role or function you just started. Familiarity. 2. Improve a current role or function. Mastery. Or 3. Prepare for a future role. Aspirational. A role can be a job title like park ranger, biologist, superintendent. It could be a collateral duty like safety officer, public information, trainer, or security specialist. It could be status like permanent employee, seasonal employee, or full-time employee. It could be locational in nature like regional office employee, Grand Canyon employee, or DOI main interior staffer. It could be a grade, rank, or hierarchy such as GS13, SES, supervisor, manager, or project lead, or anything else that specifically describes what you're working towards. So your goal could be get oriented to my new role as a supervisor, improve in my current role as chief ranger, or prepare for a future role as a permanent employee. In order to be successful, a time frame is added: 3 to 5 years, 1 to 3 years, or less than a year. This helps ground the goal in reality and increases the likelihood of success. Lastly, you'll want to decide, is this a draft to be worked out? Is this an active working goal that you're trying to achieve? Is it something you've already completed? Or is it no longer relevant? You can have more than one goal in a digital IDP. You can sort these by time frame or their status. In general, it's probably best to have between 1 to 3 goals, so help break them down and make them easier to use.